I don't like the prison light. Yeah, that is better.
Oh, miss me, bitch.
It's interesting because both of these guys have been to hell. It's like,
Oh.
is this an old beef?
Get over here.
I want to hear Freddy say, "I live in your dreams, bitch."
Oh, I know that trick.
Oh.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites.
Holy shit.
Oh,
You've done this before.
No, yet.
I caught him. That's my favorite move right there.
Looks like
So hard to play my favorite character.
Okay, hit these two buttons next at the same time.
Okay. Do I have to push another button?
No, just those two.
Can you do that?
There we go.
Those are some good buttons.
Okay, he's gonna be mad now. You probably shouldn't have done that.
Totally pressed them off.
No, I want to win this one. Oh, he was always sneaking up on me.
Finish him.
What? Do it, do it. That one's my favorite.
Just get that part. I looked at the move list. That will look like a
Look, they went to hell. Oh! Excellent. I've got the control.
Smack.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I do with my other
You
hands.
play the next one. You play the next one.
Cyber Sub-Zero?